DoubleTree by Hilton Fujairah. It is five-star hotel here, and I'm going to check in. It is my first time here in Fujairah, so I'm really looking forward to this stay. I already know Hilton, and it's a really good brand. I'm a gold member here, so I have some freebies, which I love. But yeah, let's go and check in. This is the lobby slash reception. Check these guys. I love it, beautiful. You can have a tea, coffee, some cakes or snacks here if you want. And here is a reception. Everything is so clean. I love it. Nice decoration. Absolutely beautiful. Nice. Let's go to the room. It is actually this way. There are 4 elevators. Yeah, here, let's go up. I am in my room already and I got upgrade again. This is why I love Emirates. It's pretty good chance you will get an upgrade, especially if it's low season. But let's go and check the room. So this is actually a suite. It is room number 1809. It is a corner room, so you have pretty good views. There is a Fujairah airport. Lovely. It is my first time here in Fujairah. So far so good, I like it. But let's go back to the room. Here we have some amenities. Coffee machine, some coffee, tea, we got cookies, and I guess this is a mini bar. Yeah, it's empty, but you can put some stuff there if you want. Complimentary water. Really huge living area. Nice big TV, and we can see the meshita. I think it's going to be so nice during the evening. Let's see. This sofa can be turned into the bed, so up to 4 adults can accommodate this room. And this is the master bedroom. Beautiful. Everything is so clean here in this hotel. Like absolutely spotlessly clean. Check this. Nice. And we have a wardrobe, safe, laundry, hair dryer. Wow, amazing. One bathrobe. I'm not really sure why we have just one, but that's fine. An iron board. Let's check the bathroom. I love it. Oh, that's beautiful. Really nice. So here we have a bath, a sink, lots of amenities. Nice, everything is clean. Love it. Toilet, a bidet, and shower. Beautiful. I love it. Absolutely amazing. Wow, yeah, what can I say? It is really, really nice. I will show you rest of the hotel in few seconds. Here is the gym. You need a card to enter. Wow. Oh, it's not big, it's so modern. Wow. Really, really nice. I love it. Everything looks like brand new, and you can see there is a pool behind. I'm going there. Here is a beauty salon if you want, and yes, this is the pool. I'm going outside. Oh, it's nice. It's not huge, but it's really nice. I like it. I'm going upstairs so you can see it better. Lovely. And here is a small pool. Beautiful. I'm going to check the view. Nothing special, but yeah. I actually really like this pool is in shadows, so you can come here even during the day when it's really hot here. But yeah, I love it. Nice. We are going to have a breakfast. On Saturday, you can enjoy unlimited barbecue here. Barbecue evening. I will show you what you can get. The price is 129 dirhams per person. Starting here with some salads.
The food is actually really good, and you can get soft drinks in the price if you want some wine or some rum, vodka, or something else. You can pay 189, which I think is reasonable because in some restaurant you will pay like 40-50 dirham for a beer or for a glass of wine. So yeah, and it's unlimited as well.
I am leaving Hilton, DoubleTree Hilton in Fujairah. The stay was really good. Everything was fine. Minor error with communication between teams, but it's actually fine. Nothing like big. So it's really good. I think this hotel is quite new, but anyway, I pay 70 pounds per night with breakfast. As I mentioned, we got the upgrade because I'm a gold member. But yeah, definitely stay here if you are in Fujairah. I 100% recommend to visit Fujairah. And yeah, it is not a beach hotel, but it's like 8 minutes drive to the beach. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you later with another review. Bye bye.